slowly time passed and the checkups happened, and then finally the classes started. I was waiting big time for the classes. So the classes started, and then the first class, there are like 6 classes we had. So it was in these classes, like, we realized eye-opening things were there. So many myths were there in the mind. What is labor? How am I going to take it? What is the pain like? And all those things.
How long it will be?
That's the main criteria. And then how to manage it, how to handle it, and then other things also which keep on, inhibitions that just surround you and you can't cross them out. All those things were clarified. So basically, I wanted myself in the class because I wanted to have a very nice labor and a good experience, not a fearful one and all. So by the time 3rd class happened, I think I was good enough to take before active labor. I was told, okay, this much I will manage now. So in fact I was one of the kind, okay, I will have a CSAC. I was that kind that I am going to have a CSAC. I am not going to take pain before.
No, actually, she already told me that no, I am not going for normal birth. So CSAC, or I'll take a epidural, but not
CSAC is better. So then actually one of my friends, she was here and she referred. So then by the 3rd class I was okay. Active labor is only the thing now that I'm thinking of that has to be managed. By the time 5th class was done, 6th class was done, I was thinking, yes, I will be able to do. And then whenever I used to say, no, I cannot, she said, don't tell this to yourself and you can do it. But when the time came, I think my labor, it started at 9:45
a.m.
On 4th of April. So 9:45 it started, and I was very easy, and I was taking it very easily. And I called doctor that this has happened, and I'm getting contractions every 10-15 minutes like that. So
short contractions, very less pain.
Yeah, short contractions were there at 10-15 minutes types, and then 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Sometimes they were irregular. So that was the thing, and I was walking.
And I guess, doctor, we had an appointment that day, right?
Yeah, we had an appointment.
So she said that now I'm having pain, so let's cancel that appointment. Then I guess she spoke to you. Then she realized it's 15 minutes or so. Let's go. So we came. Even her mother was saying that, okay, now you should go to hospital. You should not
stay
at
the class.
No, I told her. No, we attended the class. We know that this is not the stage where we should go to hospital. So when we came down, you checked her. While going back, she said that no, let's wait for half an hour. If nothing will happen, then we will go home. So I thought, okay, we have said enough. Let's give her half an hour. So we thought, okay, we will have food outside. So we went to Chhattis. There we had
so we even
lunch.
had we sat in the restaurant while my labor. I was having gala time, having my food, and then that was the 3 o'clock when the contractions were still, I think.
Then it was
5 minutes.
5 minutes, and sometimes it was 40 to 45 seconds long. But again, it was not regular. I mean, it was very irregular. Sometimes it was 45, sometimes it was 20.
Yeah.
So we came back at 4 o'clock. We came back to house. I told her that no, I think you should take rest. Better take rest. So she took, I guess, she slept for 2 hours.
Yeah, I slept 10 minutes. I was sleeping. Then the pain used to come. I used to get up, roll, and then just relax myself. Then I think the contractions started happening 3 minutes. Then it started reducing, and then the intensity also increased a little bit.
So at 7:30 she calls, or I call. I don't know which one.
7:30 actually she called. She said that shall I come down to your house so that you can check me? Then it was that time I guess she was not able to track what was the frequency.
Yeah,
that time she was still thinking that it's 5 minutes. I realized that it's not 5 minutes. Now it's 2 minutes, and in 7 minutes she had 3
so
contractions.
I was speaking to her. She's still speaking to me.
She was laughing.
Yeah, she was laughing. She was laughing and saying, it's fine. It's just a contraction.
No, actually, what was happening is okay, she's getting a contraction. Okay, give me a massage. I'm doing that. While she was talking, okay, doctor, I'll talk to you just a second. I'm getting another contraction.
So she said that keep talking to me. I can make out by your voice how you're feeling. So I was still talking, and it was kind of thing, and then it was going. So then I spoke to her. She said okay. Then after I spoke to her, then it was like a little.
Now I feel it, right? So I think in 1 hour, 7:30 to 8:30, you guys did a little bit.
7:30.
And 8 o'clock, 8:15.
Yeah, 8:30 actually called.
Can you come to my house? They say very good. So he said, why don't you come to my house? You can check me. We can watch a birth movie. My contractions are 2 minutes apart. And I'm like, I think you need to get to the birthing center. I don't think I need to come to your house right now.
So then, like, I was driving, and my mother-in-law, she was like giving her the same massage.
Yeah.
So she was
And
like,
she was on her hands and knees. All
Yeah,
yeah,
in the car.
squatting position, and she was like doing the same massage.
Yeah.
No, mommy, you should drive, and he will like give me a massage. You are not able to do it
Yeah,
properly.
that is another benefit. You will be very comfy with your hubby, you know. That is very good factor in this class. They know what they have to do. They will not be like freaked out. They won't sound freaked out. That's one very good thing. So he massaged me, and
I guess doctor, she had like
perception of pain becomes much
very
less.
less.
Much less.
When you were explaining about
Yeah.
the pain of the muscle going down and then
Right?
glowing.
Exactly. And then the one that he was doing is extremely helpful. We did that last time. The one where you put your hand down and push it together. So the pubic bone as well as the
No, I could
entire
feel. I
pelvis.
could, in fact, hear the little
Some
sound
sound
of the
actually. She
movement
was-
also.
That's amazing.
some
So-
cut.
Something was, yeah, it was like very flexible that time.
That's
Yeah.
great.
So it was really, that massage helped me a lot. Thanks. That was really good.
So she comes into the center and she's on her hands and knees.
Yeah,
The moment she came into the center, she's back on her hands and knees trying to do the contractions.
I had 2 contractions in the lift. Then I had, it was like, then, then the doctor came to me, we will check you, and then I hit the